Hi guys, I'm Oath. I'm going to pack the luggages for our vacations. We are going to Lake Tahoe for 6 nights. Normally, I pack with use the small bags put in the stuff a little bit, but this time I will use most of the bag which I collected from the bedsheet sets and the blanket. So there are many clear plastic bag, tiny, and then I will use them, put my outfit, my clothes in it, and then I will put the bags in the luggages. We will take 2 of these luggages. The house one, that's mine, and the other one for my husband, and also a backpack which I will pack computer, iPad, and all electronic wire charging. And these are what I am talking about. I picked the clothes with easier to roll them and then put in the bag. This for my husband, and this for me. And I also packed the hiking shoes for both of us, slippers. And this is a bag that contained my all pins. The light pins that easier to roll it because of the weather this time is very nice, doesn't need to wear any thick. And my swimsuits, I prepared 2 of them, and this one my underwear and bras. Also the hiking shoes, my husband, the wet shoes because we plan to do kayaking. This my tops and shorts, my pajamas, and the blankets I will take, because normally I will take a blanket for myself as I am allergic sometimes, many times, not sometimes. I feel itchy when using the blanket in the hotel cover direct on myself. This is my husband's top for bed and shorts, underwear, swim pants, and shorts when he stay inside the room, the hotel room, socks, and then the cap, and then his activity outfit, and that's prepared for the bathroom stuff. Okay, let's see when I put everything in the luggages. There are plenty of rooms. This is very good system so far. I thought about sewing the bags for this, but I haven't do anything yet. I maybe do later. Normally I will bring only 1 bag for both of us, but this time I bring 2 because we got free 3 bag checks, so I don't want to get the fine if our bags are overloaded. Okay, that's it. I would like to share today. Thank you for watching and have a good time. Bye.